no time for stalling. The wild is calling. When you risk it all, you learn to feel alive. Oh, searching for new life. Oh, reaching for new heights. Whoa, into the daylight. So open your eyes, we're making the climb, taking the dive deep into the wild. 'Dreams on the horizon, our fears leave one behind us now. There's no time for stalling. The wild is calling. Risk it all, you learn to feel alive.
7 odd years back when we were going for a very good friend's wedding, and I was not sure if I wanted to go because I didn't want to travel alone. And then he suddenly told me one of his friends who had randomly met at a pub like a few years back told me he's also traveling. So I said, cool, let's travel together. And so we said, okay, let's travel. And we are at the airport. I'm waiting. This guy's just not there. We are about to miss our flight.
We were not about to miss a flight.
We were very
She
much
thinks we are
there
about
to
to miss
miss
our
our flight, okay? And then this guy strolls in like, and I'm like, coming fast, so slow. And then
In my defense, it's 7 in the morning.
it was 6:45 in the morning, but still doesn't mean you're like that. And then we go through the security check, and not one, not two. He removes 11 things. 11. I can't even count it on my fingers. Okay, 11 things, and then he puts those 11 things back, and it was crazy.
So the first question is, who made the first move?
Who is a more calm person?
Who is more romantic?
Who is a better dancer?
Who is lazy?
Who pretends to listen more? Pretends.
And who actually listens more? Chemistry है भाई.
Who is more particular about dressing?
Who said I love you first?
Who apologizes first after an argument? Actually, right.
Let's argue now and then decide.
He doesn't have a choice.
No, he never does.
Now he does.
Who sleeps more?
Who is always running late?
Good, no foodie.
a better cook?
Auntie said nobody.
I haven't eaten what he cooks, so I don't know.
Who's more organized?
Wild, wild is calling. The wild, wild is calling now. The wild, wild is calling. There's no time, no time. Oh, the wild, wild is calling. The wild, wild is calling now. The wild, wild is calling. There's no time, no time. Oh, the wild, wild is calling. The wild, wild is calling now. The wild, wild is calling. No time, no time. Hey! Oh, searching for new life. Oh, reaching for new heights. Oh, into the daylight. So open your eyes, we're making the climb, taking the dive, deep into the wild, deep into the wild, deep into the wild, deep into the wild.
I'm the more romantic one. I'm the one who makes more plans. He keeps talking. So he keeps saying, I was going to propose you. Yeah. Then what happened? And then he'll give me 50 reasons why he could not do it. I just went ahead and I planned everything today. And you know what he told me yesterday? I said, you're giving me a surprise, you're giving me... He kept asking me, he doubted me. He's like, are you giving me a surprise? Are you giving me a surprise? And I was like, no, nothing. How can I give you a surprise? The DJ, he was editing the songs last night. So I could not add in the song. And I was like, you are editing the song. How on earth can I even give you a surprise? So yeah, I can keep surprising him with small things like this.
कन्नी चुम के ते लाल फुलकारी गोरे हत्था ते मेहंदी जचदी कन्नी चुम के ते लाल फुलकारी कन्नी चुम के ते लाल फुलकारी गोरे हत्था ते मेहंदी जचदी हत्था ते मेहंदी जचदी सुनता सही नाम ये दलेंदी कन लाके सुनता सही नाम ये दलेंदी वाजा मारे तेनू गजले दी तारी
because he was supposed to surprise me. I'm that person who loves surprises, and he doesn't plan anything only. Every I'm like, something you'll do, na? It's my birthday. Oh, I didn't get time to get you a gift. I don't know how many gifts does he owe me now.
But I got you one.
Yeah,
Good.
that was a very nice surprise.
Yeah.
The watch.
The watch.
Yes.
It was.
That was a good surprise. He gave me this wine bottle and he thought I'm going to fall for it, thinking
So
it had.
she doesn't really drink, and if she drinks, it's like cup very less. And I am a very big wine person. So we met. I got her a bottle of. It wasn't a bottle of wine. It was an old bottle of wine which I had. उसमें मैंने पानी भरा. I put some
Confetti.
confettis in it to make it look like it's gold particles, and I gave it to her. I'm like, hey, this is a wine bottle for you which has actual gold particles.
It's a special
like,
gold
this is
wine.
super premium, blah blah blah, and I'm giving her the story, and she's looking at me. I don't drink wine. And then beneath that packaging there was a watch, which I got out, and then I gave it to
Which
her.
I actually wanted. So he got me that watch.
This horizon, it's shining. Seems the daylight knows this is our time now. Where we're going, these dreams we're holding. Oh, and now we know it. All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever starts today. This adventure we were meant for. Every day is a chance to discover.
I vow to let you watch football games sometimes.
I love sometimes give you the window seat.
Vow to share only half of my bed with you. You can't occupy more than that.
How to eat fewer prawns than you?
I vow to let you win arguments, even if I'm right. Because you're always wrong.
I vow that you will always remain my addiction.
I vow to learn driving and drive you around, especially when you're drunk.
I vow to learning more dance moves.
Yeah, you should. Well, I vow to be your partner in crime forever and ever.
I vow to finally go down on my knees and love you forever.
For me, darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Together we can do anything we believe in. All the world is ours to take.
caring. He's a very sweet guy. That's why I keep calling him to Mera hero. Even for the wedding, we've actually done everything by ourselves. Like literally post to pillar, like everything. And you won't believe the Lenga guy also was found by him. He used to do a research every day, and then used to go to like 10 shops every day to try stuff. And I tried one day at a shop. Won't name the shop because they're famous. And I tried his outfit and I said, oh, this designer, who's this designer? I've never heard of him, and it's like a pop-up shop. And this guy at the store sitting, and he's like, our store is at Santa Cruz. And he got such dirty looks from the people at the store because they knew they'd lost a customer if I go there. And then we landed up, and I was like, and that was like the last store that we visited. So for a month, not month actually, I just hunted for 2 weeks. My outfit just 2 weeks.
Couple
Yeah.
of weeks.
Yeah. And after that, at the end, he figures that store and obviously be bigger. But yeah, he actually did so much research, more than me. So I can't complain on any of those things. So yeah, he has, he's cute.
Maybe
He's
not a
sweet.
bad guy is what she means.
Yeah. Today also, my nail polish he got.
With Lovin, and he gives us a lot of good material to tease him about. If you think about Lovin, what are one of the main adjectives that come out about it? Anybody? Well, smart, handsome, lazy. So fun trivia fact about Lovin. He once slept 18 hours and yes, lazy. He slept 18 hours and locked his family out of their house, and they had to have of the room. Oh yeah, they had to get someone to climb up the side of the building to free him. That's how lazy he is. Well, anyway, congratulations. Well, anyway, in honor of that, we're gonna start off with our first song of the day. It is called Lazy Boy. So, guys, lazy lad, take it away.
लेट के सोफे पे गल्ला गाले प्लाज्मा टीवी कम खड़ा ताले लेजी लैड सैया निकलो बात काम की बातों से पल्ला झाड़े बेवजह किस्मत पे ये दिल फाड़े अरे लेजी लैड सैया निकलो बात
So apart from being lazy, Lovin showed a lot of promise. His father had a lot of expectations for him. Let's see how it all ended up panning up. पापा कहते हैं
Lovin's such a carefree, happy soul. So the next song we're gonna be simulating how Lovin lives his happy, carefree, loving life in a song called My Name Is Lovin. I mean Lakan, but let's go.
A G O G ओ जी लो जी सुनो जी, मैं हूँ मन मौजी, करता हूँ मैं जो वो तुम भी करो जी। 1 2 का 4 4 2 का 1, माय नेम इज लखन, माय नेम इज लखन, सजनों का सजन मेरा नाम है लखन।
All this is going about. Meanwhile, just south of where Lovin is, unknown to him, we have this girl, beautiful little girl, chirpy, bubbly girl, who's been moving around the world, seeing places, getting ahead in life, excellent media executive, and let's see what her life was like with London the Thumka.
आ गई उधर करो, फिर चली गई यार, आ गई चली, और चक्कर क्यों नहीं लाती यार? तू होगी 1 2 2, ओ कुड़िए what to do, ओ हो गई मुंडे दी तो तंगा मारेगी, तू एवें उड़दी, ओ हो गई मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी, टुक 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 करदी, मेकअप तू करदी अंग्रेजी पढ़ती, गिट पिट तू करदी, जिम्मे कोई नहीं साडी विक्टोरिया, तू कंटी बिग बैन दी, पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा, ओ कदों नचे पैन दी, पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा, तू कंटी बिग बैन दी, पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा, ओ कदों नचे पैन दी, पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा।
So everything was going really well for Lovin, but he knew he was missing that one thing. That was one thing to complete him. And he was searching far and wide for this. So let's go on this song to see what he did. And if and when did he find her.
जिसे ढूंढता हूँ मैं हर कहीं, जो कभी मिली मुझे है नहीं, मुझे जिसके प्यार पर हो यकीन, वो लड़की है कहाँ? जिसे सिर्फ मुझसे ही प्यार हो, जो ये कहने को भी तैयार हो, सुनो तुम ही मेरे दिलदार हो, वो लड़की है कहाँ?
Meeting once, after meeting twice, finally a wedding got them together to Kerala, God's own country, and that's where they met in a flight, and you can see how it would have gone.
Yeah, well, we heard that lazy lad Lovin almost made Charmin miss the flight. We also heard that maybe there was a chicken sandwich that Lovin ate of hers.
Charmin's chicken sandwich. You know how Charmin is about food.
Yeah. It seems that she's forgiven him, maybe. I think so, yeah. Given today.
We also
Blame it on her own.
Yeah, fun
Her
forgiveness.
own.
That was his wedding. That happened, so we were thinking the hashtag should be blame it on Arun.
Still not sure about this little rascal here. And we have a so he's so offbeat. He's so offbeat.
मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है, पर कुड़िया दे नाल बहुत स्वीट है। मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है, पर कुड़िया दे नाल बहुत स्वीट है। ढोंगी सा ये बड़ा ढीठ है, वायरल हो गया ये ट्वीट पर, फूल वूल कर नील कूल चढ़ के चौबार तेरा मना स्वीटू आजा मारे आलू बड़े करारे तेरा मना लालू बड़े करारे चढ़ चढ़ के चौबार तेरा मना स्वीटू आजा मारे मुंडे पेलेंटी मुरली हो गए सेंटी तेरे लिए मैं सेट हूँ इस बात की गारंटी पर फूल फूल करने में खून तू बड़ी तेज कटारी है सहरा बांध के फूल फांद तुझे ले जाना इस बारी है नच गए सारे गाने मिलने के जी हिलने डुलने के ले सारे के सारे मैं सारे नच गए सारे गाने मिलने के जी हिलने डुलने के ले सारे के सारे मैं सारे कसमानू खाने
After the wedding in Kerala, Charmin thought Lavin maybe Munda thoda offbeat hai, lekin she forgave him. They got to know each other a little more. There were a lot of more chicken sandwiches, prawn eaten, more dates. And they started liking each other. There was a lot of chemistry. Some might even say there was some bijli. But here we go, next song.
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने नैनों के रंग नैना जाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग जग की कोई रीत न जाने मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग छुड़ाई गुलबार मेरा मखना में मखना तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना में मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना में मखना छुड़ाई गुलबार मेरा मखना छुड़ाई गुलबार मेरा मखना में मखना तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना में मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना में मखना छुड़ाई गुलबार मेरा
ਉਹ ਚੰਨ ਦੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਮੰਗਾਂ ਦੀ ਭੈਣ ਸਰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਬਿਜਲੀ ਬਿਜਲੀ ਕਹਿਣ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਗਿਰਦੀ ਮੱਚਦਾ ਵੀ ਕੱਖ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਰੇ ਵੀ ਡਰ ਕੇ ਰਹਿ ਸਿੰਡਰੇਲਾ ਉਹ ਸਿੰਡਰੇਲਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਆਇਆ ਦਿਲ ਮੇਰਾ ਘੁੰਗਰੂ ਖਾ ਕੇ ਨਚਾਇਆ ਆ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਾਲਾ ਕੱਚੜ ਪਾਇਆ ਲੁਧਿਆਣਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਹੀ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਲਾਇਆ ਲੁਧਿਆਣਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਹੀ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਲਾਇਆ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੱਕ ਕੇ ਗੋਰੀਏ ਨੈਣ ਚੰਨ ਦੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਬੰਦਣਾ ਦੀ ਭੈਣ ਸਰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਬਿਜਲੀ ਬਿਜਲੀ ਕਹਿ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਗਿਰਦੀ ਮੱਚਦਾ ਵੀ ਕੱਖ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਰੇ ਵੀ ਡਰ ਕੇ ਰਹਿਣ ਸਿੰਡਰੇਲਾ
So we have, get on the pichkaris for painting them red.
इतना मजा क्यों आ रहा है तूने हवा में भांग मिलाया दुगना नशा क्यों हो रहा है आँखों से मीठा तूने खिलाया
वो तेरी मलमल की गुर्दी गुलाबी हो गई मन चली चाल के
the next song is from Lavin's Sharman's friends and cousins. Just a token of our appreciation and happiness that you all found each other.
बोले चूड़ियां बोले कंगना हाय मैं हो गई तेरी साजना तेरे बिन जियो नहीं लगदा मैं ते मर गईया ले चले जा सोनिया ले चले जा बोले चूड़ियां बोले कंगना हाय मैं हो गई तेरी साजना बोले चूड़ियां बोले कंगना हाय मैं हो गई तेरी साजना तेरे बिन जियो नहीं लगदा मैं ते मर गईया ले चले जा सोनिया ले चले जा दिल ले चले जा
बोले चूड़िया बोले कंगना हाय मैं हो गया तेरा साजना तेरे बिन जियो नहीं लगता मैं ते मर जावा ले जा सोनिए ले जा दिल ले जा
For a happy married life, you need tips. And luckily for Sharman and Lavin, they needn't look no further than Tina and Tinku. Tarun. Yes. So, showing you how to get them through these dreamy nights, we have Rata Lambia.
तेरी मेरी गल्लाएं होगी मशहूर करना कभी तू मुझे नजरों से दूर किथे चलिए किथे चलिए किथे चलिए जानदा है दिल ये तो जान दिया तू तेरे बिना मैं ना रहूं मेरे बिना तू किथे चलिए किथे चलिए किथे चलिए काटू कैसे राता वो सावरे जिया नहीं जाता सुन बावरे के राता लंबे कटे तेरे संगे रे के राता लंबे रे कटे तेरे संगे रे
So Lavin, his entire life was quite a hero. Right? He wanted to be a professional football player. He wanted to be a professional pool player. He wanted to be a professional race driver. Well, the best he got was Arsenal jersey, Thierry Henry, from Funkies. The pool parlor shut down next door, so your career ended there. And the best you got was the Ford Icon and the IndyCar, which you zoomed around. But today, you get to actually be a hero. And there's a message being given to you. So I'll just stop there and people can take it away from here. Sharman and the gang.
हमको कहते सुपरमैन ऑन कर लो हैंडीकैम from AM to PM बंदे अच्छो सर्विसमैन
Yeah, so here's to the happy couple.
Whoa!
Pehla Nasha.
Whoa!
चाहे तुम कुछ ना कहो मैंने सुन लिया कि साथी प्यार का मुझे चुन लिया मैंने सुन लिया
पहला नशा पहला खुमार नया प्यार है नया इंतजार कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाथ ऐ दिले बेकरार मेरे दिले बेकरार तू ही बता पहला नशा पहला खुमार
भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा वाले चले रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई
We're on top of the world now, darling, so don't let go. Can I call you mine? So can I call you mine now, darling, for a whole lifetime? My heart finally trusts my mind, and I know somehow it's right. And oh, we got time, yeah. So darling, just say you'll stay right by my side. And oh, we got love, yeah. So darling, just swear you'll stand right by my side. We're on top of the world. We're on top of the world now, darling, so don't let go. I got something to say. You're perfect in every way. I'm gonna shout it out. I wanna tell you now, 'cause I know somehow it's right. And oh, we got time, yeah. Darling, just where you'll stay right by my side. And oh, we got love, yeah. Darling, just where you'll stand right by my side. Be my forever, be my forever, be my forever. You're my bright blue sky, you're the sun in my eyes. Oh, baby, you're my life, you're the reason why. We're on top of the world. We're on top of the world now, darling, so don't let go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And oh, we got love, yeah. Darling, just where you'll stay right by my side. Be my forever, be my forever.
always been there for me. It's not about only the good times, you know. It's also in our sad times that he was there. And today also, like, whenever I need anything, the only person that I can actually go to or believe who will do it. I may have to push him 10 times, but I know he will only do it. Like,
That's sure.
yeah,
Okay.
it's true.
In my case, I know I can give a responsibility and I can be carefree about it. She'll take care of it. That's true.
All we ever get is one life, so I think that we better spend it right. 'Cause we got way too much time to lose. So let me know if you want me to. So let me know if you want me to.
Yeah, she's given me a lot of gifts. So I'm a big football fan. I love Arsenal club. She got me an Arsenal mug. She got me an Arsenal beer glass.
Short glasses.
Short glasses. There's a
T-shirt.
Thierry Henry, which is one of my favorite footballers. She got me a poster of him. But she keeps getting me stuff. I have to acquire that art of gifting from her. I still haven't. Maybe in the next,
And being
maybe in the
romantic
next
too.
15 years, I can probably be a little better at it.
And being a little more romantic,
A little more romantic. I am.
because he's not romantic at all. It's instead of like this, "Tu mera hero," there he becomes a zero. But overall, hero ही है. Sweet है, sweet.